Hey there, is your iPhone alarm clock being uncooperative and making you late? No worries, I've got your back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get your alarm working like it should. So let's dive right in and get your alarm back on track. Solution 1. Check alarm settings. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone, then go to the Alarm tab. Make sure the alarm is set for the correct time and date. Tap Edit next to your alarm and check if the AM and PM settings are correct. After that, select under the sound option. After that, select the sound under the sound option. And now check to see if your alarm goes off as expected. Solution 2. Adjust the volume. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, increase the ringer and alerts volume. Ensure the Change with buttons turned on. Test your alarm to see if it's working now. Solution 3. Do not disturb. Make sure swipe down from the upper right corner to access the control center. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. Next, turn off silent mode and low power mode on your iPhone, as these can sometimes cause issues. After this, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. After updating, test your alarm to see if it's working properly. And that's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone alarm clock not going off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as you can. Thanks so much for watching.